Have you ever wanted to access information on your iPhone or your iPad quickly and even from the lock screen, but it's been more challenging than you would have liked? In today's video, I will be showing you how to make the most out of something Apple likes to call the Today view. So let's get started. Here I have my phone, and if I slide to the left, that's my Today view. You'll see there's nothing there. So let's see how we can actually use the Today view in a smart way. First thing to do is unlock your phone. Second thing to do is swipe from the left side of your screen to the right side of your screen till you get that blank page. Now we're going to go through the steps to create a special screen called the Today view. Hold down on the screen and you'll see the edit button will pop up on the top left. You're going to press that. Press add widget. When you get there, we're going to choose a few. So first I'm going to choose forecast. Then I'm going to go ahead and get another one. Okay, I'm going to pick that one. I'm going to add a few. If you get out of the edit mode, just press on any blank part of the screen, press edit again, add widget. I'm going to add news. I'm also going to add fitness because sometimes I want to start a workout without having to unlock my phone. I'll press that. And I think that's it. I'm going to press done. I wake up my lock screen and then shift left to right. And there is my Today view. And I can see all my widgets very easily. Here is a bonus tip for you. If you like your privacy and you're worried about security, you can disable Allow Today View in lock screen. Let me show you how to do that. You're going to open up Settings, search for Lock, and then go down to Allow Access when locked. Click on it. You have to put in your passcode. And then you'll see Today View and Search Allow Access when locked. I deselect it, covering up the camera, and I try and access my lock screen. And you see it won't go until it sees my face. And now it'll go to the lock screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Go ahead and explore all the different widgets that you can access to put on your Today view so that your days are more productive. Please click the like button below if you found my video helpful and subscribe to Techie Tutors so you'll always know when new videos come out.